This video is a good old POV street photography. Last year it was Day of the Dead Festival in Ottawa. My setup for the day was Leica M240 and Brightin Star 28mm f2.8. After some intense shooting, we took a break at a coffee shop. It was in the middle of the coffee break that the drumming started and a group of performers came into the street, and it was on again. So that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also feel free to follow me on Instagram, Blue Sky, and X, also known as Twitter.